In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase referral bonus for a new account. Now, in order to refer a friend and earn a bonus, all you want to do is head over to the More option within Chase and then simply tap on a Refer Friend option, which you'll be able to see right here. And then what this does is generates your own unique link, which you would then need to send to your friends. Your friends must then use this exact link in order to sign up and create their accounts. Now, in terms of creating a checkings account, and in order to qualify for your referral bonus, they must set up and receive a direct deposit of $500 or more within the 90 days of the account opening. For a credit card account, they must hit a specific minimum spending requirements within the first 3 months of the account opening. So that is the exact way on how you will be able to receive the bonus for referring a friend. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.